Greetings to all viewers of the Error Genie YouTube channel. Have you ever found yourself locked out of your Adsterra account? The frustration is real, but fear not, you're not alone. We're here to lend a helping hand and guide you through how to unban your Adsterra account. Adsterra is a well-regarded advertising network that upholds strict rules and regulations. Occasionally, they might ban an account due to suspicious activities or policy violations. It's important to note that honesty is your best ally when seeking an account unban. Acknowledging your mistakes can significantly influence Adsterra's reconsideration of their decision. Let's begin the journey towards how to get your Adsterra account unbanned. Step 1. Start by sending an appeal to Adsterra's support team. Compose a well-structured, respectful email detailing your situation concisely. Providing relevant information can bolster your case, so be thorough. Step 2. Patience is your virtue here. Adsterra's team requires time to meticulously review your appeal. They're committed to making informed decisions, so exercise patience while awaiting their response. Step 3. In the interim, it's wise to revisit Adsterra's policies and guidelines. This step is pivotal in identifying the root of the issue and avoiding a recurrence in the future. Step 4. Once you've pinpointed your mistake, rectify it promptly. If it pertains to your website, address the concerns. If traffic is the concern, ensure that you're sourcing from legitimate channels. Step 5. Upon receiving a response, read it meticulously. If your appeal proved successful, fantastic. Commit to adhering to all guidelines moving forward to prevent future bans. Step 6. In the event of appeal denial, don't lose hope. Consider recontacting Adsterra with additional information or clarification about your actions. Persistence often yields positive results. Unbanning an Adsterra account might seem like an uphill battle, but remember, it's absolutely achievable. And there you have it, folks, a comprehensive guide on how to unban your Adsterra account.